Hello my friends, and welcome to another unboxing, or in this case kind of an unbagging. Today I'm checking out a set of stainless steel straws, and these come in a nice little handy dandy carry case. Alright, let's see if we can just open this up here. Alright, these are reusable stainless steel straws. It's a set of 14. And they got that awesome metal, like kind of rainbow looking. As you tilt it, it changes colors. So pretty cool. These are these are different. I think there's 14 metal straws with this pack here. So there's one, and there's another one. All right, let's try to see what else is in here. All right, there's a jumbo straw there, and they come with a little straw cleaners as well. So there's a bigger one. I'm not sure the exact dimensions of that, but it's definitely a pretty sturdy, and this is a curved one as well. Here we have another straw cleaner. What's in the bag? Two more straws. These are straight straws, liking the rainbow colors. Definitely pretty cool. Here is a bigger one, and it's a straight one. Alright, here is two more. One's is bent and one is straight. Alright, where are we at here? So I will leave a link to the product here on Amazon in the description below. Here's another bent one. Maybe it'd be quicker if I could just dump them out there, huh? Yep. Alright. And so it includes 4 little cleaners, which is really handy. I mean, you can just clean out the gunk right in there and pull it out, and you got it all clean. I believe these are dishwasher safe as well. So let me show you what we got here all in all. We have, those are bent ones, those are straight ones. Okay, so, my goodness. So there's 6 straight ones that are the smaller ones. And then we have 2 jumbo ones. So if you're drinking like a milkshake or a smoothie or something like that, these would be better. One's bent and one's straight. And then 6 more of the smaller diameter ones that are bent ones, and then 4 straw cleaners. So these are stainless steel. They're rounded at the top, so they're not sharp. You're not gonna like cut yourself, hopefully. One thing you got to kind of be careful with metal straws is I hadn't actually drank one before, and when I recently had, you got to be careful you don't hit your tooth on it. If it's up against the bottom of your cup or something, you bump it, you can kind of hurt you, because these don't have a lot of give to them. So definitely pretty cool, this set of 14 here, and I'm liking the colors a lot. That just looks really neat. So anyways, that is the unboxing, and I'll be doing a little review, maybe demonstration with these. Like I said before, I'm going to leave a link to the product off of Amazon there. Pick these up for, I think they were about $10. So alright my friends, thanks for watching this unboxing. I'll be finishing up with a review soon, and we will see you next time. Everyone have a great day out there.